guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today we're reviewing my second scans power tool. Just got this in the mail the other day, and we're a few days away from Christmas. We're going to unbox this scans electric, handheld, cordless, lithium-ion battery powered circular saw. Ooh! So it's got a little nylon carrying bag. Instructions? Get out of here. We don't need instructions. And there it is right here. Here's the tool itself. Scans circular saw. Mini. Also in the box, we have two other boxes and this extra blade. Or actually, this is the blade. I have to install the blade. In here, it feels like the weight of a battery. And here's the battery. It's a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, 4 amps per hour. It has the gauge on here where you can see how much battery life is left. And as you can see, out of a possible 3 banks, you have 2 that are charged. So this is 2/3 charged, good enough for testing. In the second box is the charger. Very straightforward. You plug it into your 110-volt AC. Take the battery, slide it on here. It's red or blinks red, and then once it's fully charged, it'll be green. Very straightforward. You don't need instructions to figure that out. However, putting on the blade can be tricky. I'm going to try to figure it out without reading the instructions. So here's the blade itself, and it has a protective guard on the blade so you don't hurt yourself. So we'll keep it on here while we put it on so we don't hurt ourselves. I was looking for the tool, and it's right here. There's a red tab that shows you, hey, don't forget me, I'm a tool. It's a hex tool. Over here you have a lever. I'm assuming you push this down to lock it so that you can turn the hex nut here, right? It says to lock, it's counterclockwise. To unlock, it's clockwise. So we'll just unlock it. And it does move along with it, see? So let me press this thing while I hold it and see if it locks it. There it does. And now I can unlock it. You guys following? Let's take this red thing out. So now it's loose. The nut. Okay. And this part comes off, which is like the washer. Remember, the rough part goes down, so it grips better. You have to turn it counterclockwise to get the nut on. Not the normal clockwise. Push down on the lock mechanism again and turn it counterclockwise to tighten, which is opposite of what you normally do. but because this is, they make sure that it's the other direction, that it's spinning, so that it doesn't fly off. So there you go. That's all done. We've installed the blade. As you can see, that this is the blade guard. As you're sawing, the wood pushes this open like that, and at the same time protects your hand from the blade. You shouldn't put your hand anywhere near it anyway. The battery in, there's a lock button here, so you can't trigger it without pushing the lock first with the your thumb. Now trigger. Obviously it has a brake so that it doesn't continue to run without the power, which is a good feature. You can adjust these levels here where you wanna, if you wanna do a diagonal cut or any degree of sharpness, as well as the amount of blade sticking out by using this thing. If you move this upwards to over here, half the blade will show for the thickness of the wood. Let's try it out, huh? Okay, I have a piece of test wood here. We're just gonna cut little pieces of it. There you go. It's like slicing bread. Look, super thin pieces too. Pretty fast. So there you go. That's the Scans 20 volt, 4 amps per hour mini circular saw. Handheld, convenient. You need to just cut something really quick. You grab it and accomplish your mission right away. Really cool thing to have, especially if you just need it in a pinch. I'd make sure you charge up the battery before you use it, because if you go too fast, it'll stop. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. Go check out the Scans mini circular saw. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Andy from Jericho. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.